After over 15 years of sea spray and sunshine, the trampoline aboard our Antares Catamaran was starting to show just a little bit of wear. It was the perfect time to renew the trampoline before we departed for our Caribbean cruise. The first thing we had to do was rip out the old trampoline material. The Antares trampoline is held in by 3 shackles in a corner, bolt rope along 2 sides, and then stitched in on 2 so it can be tensioned. We removed the strips of material and bolt rope along the stitched sides. Once the bolt rope tracks were cleaned out, we installed new strips and bolt rope. Back inside the Antares Sailrite sail loft, Lisa was hard at work stitching together the trampoline material. The Sailrite and trampoline mesh material was a little hard to handle. We tried to keep it flat or rolled as often as possible so we wouldn't crease or tear the trampoline mesh.
Hey Dave, I like your workspace.
I know, it's fancy.
Not as cool as my Antares Sailrite production system sewing
It's not.
loft I have going on in there. But you do have a nice cool breeze out here.
Yeah, it's not too bad today. The rain just came through, so it's not terrible.
And the sun's not beating down directly on you. So what are you doing? What you making here?
Right now I am punching these stainless steel grommets into a vinyl and webbing strip so that we can replace the trampoline on Unwritten Timeline.
Awesome. So we can lounge out underneath the stars when we're at anchor.
Yeah.
So I like how your toolbox there is pink. What's the story behind that?
It's actually your toolbox.
What?
You got it for all your sewing stuff that I use.
Yep. You're my muscle. I just have you around for the muscle part.
Yeah. The first step installing the finished trampoline was securing it to the boat with 3 small shackles and seizing wire in the aft outboard corner. While we had everything apart, we made sure to inspect and polish all the shackles. We then slid the bolt rope sides into the bolt rope track before we started stitching the remaining 2 sides to the Sailrite and webbing strips. We had a single stitch for each of the 2 stitched sides. If you want more security in case a line fails, you can lash each pair of grommets individually. This will ensure if a single line fails, the trampoline will still be in place. This is our finished trampoline install on a 2003 Antares Catamaran. All the materials we used are in the description below. With a bit of luck, this will get us through many years of enjoying the cruising life. If you enjoyed this video, remember to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss future episodes. And we'll see you guys next time.
See